Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome to MathsWonder. I'm truly grateful that you found your way to my video. I'm an international online maths tutor with over 17 years of experience and more than 13,000 hours of teaching students from grades 4 to 8 across the USA, Canada, Australia, and India. My passion is to make maths simple and enjoyable for everyone. In my videos, I cover each topic from the basics to advanced levels, breaking them down into easy-to-understand steps. I promise that by the end of this video, many of your doubts about this topic will be cleared. So I invite you to stay tuned, watch till the end, and embark on this wonderful journey of learning maths together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful lessons. Thank you for being here. Stay curious, keep learning, and let's make maths wonderful.
So now the topic is representation of fractions on number line. So the first is if your fraction is proper fraction. In the proper fraction, always remember, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, you know it, right? If numerator is smaller than the denominator, we call it a proper fraction. And proper fraction always lie between 0 to 1. So whatever proper fraction is given in the question, you will draw only 0 to 1, not more than, not big. Since the denominator is big, so suppose your question is you have to represent 1 over 2 on the number line. So first of all, you will draw 0 and 1. Because it's lie between 0 to 1. Now, since the denominator is big, so you will check. What is denominator here? Denominator is 2. So, denominator is 2. Divide the number line into two equal parts. Okay, and then start with the writing. So, 0 is in the numerator and denominator is 2. So, 0 over 2 means 0. When you simplify it, you will get 0. Then 1 over 2, and here must be 2 over 2. That means you are going correct. When you simplify 2 over 2, you will get 1. So your number line, which we have to find 1 over 2, this is this. I am giving one more example. Suppose your question is 3 over 4. This is also a proper fraction. Then proper fraction always lie between 0 to 1. So draw 0 and 1. Now because denominator is 4 and you know it, divide the denominator of on the number line into equal parts. Denominator is 4, so you will part 4 equal parts. So you will start with 0 over 4. 0 over 4 means 0. As you know it, 0 is the numerator and denominator is the any number, it will give 0 only. So 0 over 4, 1 over 4, 2 over 4, this is 3 over 4 and this is 4 over 4. 4 over 4 means 1. So we are going correct. Now we need to represent 3 over 4. You can represent 3 over 4 like this. So this is the proper fraction representation on number line. Okay. Now come to the next part. Please write down in your notes. So the same thing we will learn in the rational number also, but in the other way around. So see, once your fundamental is strong, like proper fractions, in the fractions we learn all type of proper fraction, improper fraction, equal, how you will be representing on a number line. So you will be doing well in the rational number also. Okay. So this is the proper fraction part. So the next is improper fraction. Okay. So improper fraction, what are improper fraction? You know it, when numerator is greater than the denominator and when numerator is equal to the denominator. We call it an improper fraction, as you know it. Now come to the number line. What is the concept? Number line, if we represent an improper fraction on the number line, that it will always more than 1. Okay. If we represent a proper fraction on the number line, then it will always lie between 0 to 1. But if you represent improper fraction on the number line, it will always more than 1. More than 1. How? See, suppose this is the number line. Okay, this is the number line. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is so on, right? So 0 to 1, always remember this part is the always be a proper fraction. Always. Not more than that. Proper fraction. And the other part after 1 or from 1, yeah, from 1 we will represent the improper fraction. From 1. So this is the range of the, here is endless, right? Everyone know it. It's a endless. Arrowhead, both the side arrowhead representing the endless line. So always remember 0 to 1 we are representing the proper fraction. From 1 we are representing the improper fraction. So whatever we are doing the question in the improper fractions, it will lie 1 onwards. Got it? Understood the range? Yeah. Now I am giving the examples. This is the range of the proper and improper. Now I am giving the examples so you will understand. So the first example is 9/4 suppose. Okay? 9/4. First of all, 9/4 is the improper fraction, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, first of all, what you will do? You will convert into the mixed. So, how you will converting into the mix? 2 1/4? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the meaning of 2 1/4? 2 1/4 means 1, 2 plus 1/4, 2 plus something means this is the range, this number 2 1/4 is greater than 2 but less than 3. Yes or no? Greater than 2,
Yes.
greater 2 1/4 is greater than 2 but less than 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now,
Yes.
how you will represent here? Now see it on the number line. So this is the number line. Here is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But because as we can see it here is 2 and 3 means this fraction 9/4 or 2 1/4 it will lie between 2 and 3. So we will see only this one. Now check the denominator. What is the denominator? 4. So you will give 4 equal parts between 2 and 3. Okay. Now start with the 2. So because 0 is what? 0 means 0/4. Right? As we have discussed in the proper fraction. 1 means 4/4. As we have discussed in the proper fraction. 1 will give this. Right? Now what is 2? 8/4 will give it 2. Yes or no when you simplify 8/4? Yes? Manan?
Yes.
Yes. So 8/4 which number will come beta? 9/4, then 10/4, then 11/4 and 3 means it's a 12/4. When you simplify it you will get 10/4. So what we needed, which number you have to represent on the number line? 9/4. So this is your improper fraction which is 9/4. Understood? Always remember improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. The first property. The second is equal also comes under this part, improper fraction. The second is 9/4 is an improper fraction. First of all you will convert into mix. So you will understand where you will plotting on number line. So 2 1/4 will give you the idea. You will plot between which two number? 2 and 3 because 2 1/4 means 2 1/4 is greater than 2 but less than 3. So you have to plot 9 over 4 between 2 and 3. Other numbers you will just write it for your additional information. Otherwise there is no use. But number line, it can't be in air, right? You have to be start with 0 always, right? It can't be in the air, na? 2 over 3 only you will represent 2 over 3. No, not 2 and 3, not possible. Without 0 you can't be represent 2. So you have to draw it on the number line, but it is just for FYI, just for this, but you have to work on this area only, 2 and 3, because your number lie between 2 and 3. Understood the concept?
Yeah.
Now I am giving more examples.
How many more sums are we going to do?
Wait, I am giving. Now the last, which one was the last question I have given in the question? 13 over 2, right? Which question I have given? Yeah, 13 over 2. Now see how you will do it. 13 over 2, how you will represent on the number line. First of all, what you will do? Convert into? Yeah. So, what is the mixed fraction? Tell me.
6 and 1/2.
6 and 1/2 means this will represent, tell me. 6 half means 6 greater than 6 but less than 7, isn't it? Yes or no? Yeah. Now come to the number line and then understand the concept. This is the number line. You will start with the 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now 0 means, as you know it, 0 over denominator will give 0, right? So then 1 is 2 over 2 will give 1, yes. Then 4 over 2 will give 2. Then 6 over 2 will give 3. Then 8 over 2 will give 4. Then after 8, which number will come? 10 over 2 will give 5, isn't it? 12 over 2 will give 6. Now you have to check what is the denominator. Denominator is the king of the fraction. Everything is based on denominator. So you have to do 2 equal parts because denominator is 2. So now 12 over 2, which number will come? 13 over 2, and this is 14 over 2. Automatically it will give 7. Now we have to represent 13 over 2. So this is your number. This will lie between 6 and 7 as we have written here. See? Understood the concept?